Hey everybody, this time we're going to make a paper lotus, and for this craft you'll need only a square piece of paper, and it's a really easy craft to make. So let's make a start to making the craft. So first we're going to fold the paper in half. So you know what to do. Just line up the edges and just crease it down and make sure it's all equal. We're going to do the same for the other edge. So just line up the edges. You don't want any gaps there. Now we're just going to fold those points into the middle. So just do that basically. And you want to try to make it equal. And the last one. There we go, and we're going to do the same again. Just fold that flap into the middle and do the same for the other three. Do that. There we go. Again. Just try and make a sharp corner. There. We're going to flip it over and do the same, but just on the other side. There we go. By this point, it's probably your paper's going to be probably really hard. Not really hard, but hard. And the last one. So there you go, that's what you should have right there. And this is going to be a really, not a really hard step, but a hard step to do. So we're just going to take one of those flaps right there and just, without ripping it, just basically do that. You know, just lift up that edge right like that. And just push it all together. So that's one petal of the lotus finished. And we're going to do the same for the other three. Just try not to rip it. Two petals done. There we go. And the other one. Let's try and work with it there. Oops. Just push it all down so it stays like that. And we have some other folds like there. Well, flaps actually. And we're just going to fold them out as much as we can, because there's going to be a barrier right there. And just press it down again. So that's our finished lotus right there. And we're just going to just push the petals all like that. There. So that's the finished lotus. So there's the finished lotus right there. And as I said in the beginning, it's really easy to make. But see those steps, like when you make the petals, they're a bit hard, but that's okay. You can just work with the paper and make the petals itself. So if you like my video, please subscribe. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching.